to start it off by saying it's really funny how I wanted to go and start recording and somebody started doing yard work literally the moment that I hit the record. So this week's video is going to be really short and sweet because it's been a very busy weekend, got a lot of stuff going on, but I uploaded my video 4 days ago, Thursday, so what, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3 days ago. And it has been my most successful video yet. Granted, I have videos that have 40,000 views, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you all so much for those views. But this has been the most successful in a short amount of time. I mean, I've got 3,700 views. I'm gonna pull it up right now and look. Yeah, okay, so my video has 3,731 views at this moment with 171 comments, 143 likes, and 3 haters. Or Australian likes, as I like to call them. But I've also gained an amazing amount of subscribers. So I'm pulling up my Social Blade right now because it tells me my subscriber growth in the past several days. I've gained about 100 subscribers. Yeah, actually, I think I've hit one. Yeah, I've gained 100 subscribers since that video. Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for giving me the chance and subscribing and wanting to watch the content that I create. I honestly am very, very appreciative of that. And this channel honestly would be nothing without the subscribers. You guys help me stay motivated. Now YouTube, yeah, I was excited for it. I love making videos. I'm still excited for it. But there comes a time when you start making them over and over, and it gets hard to stay motivated because it's like, you know, I take a lot of time on the weekends. I take a lot of times after work to edit the videos. And sometimes it's hard to be, you know, wanting to do that. It's hard to stay motivated to do that. But when you get these subscribers and you get, you know, all these people that just, they enjoy your content, and you guys are just absolutely awesome. You always have kind comments for me, tell me I'm doing an awesome job, you love the videos. That is what keeps me going. So honestly, thank you to every single one of you, all 3,135 of you, for keeping me going and subscribing to the channel. Like I said, this week's video is going to be short and sweet, and I just wanted to give you a genuine thank you because I don't really have anything fun this week. But I got a couple things in the works, and I'm considering showing you in this video a little sneak peek of something that is going to come. And I think because we broke 3,000 subscribers, and in a blink of an eye, we already went to 3,100. I mean, within a weekend. I'm going to show you that here in a minute, but I really just wanted to set in and say thank you. Seriously, thank you guys. Now on to the fun stuff. So this week, like I said, I don't really have anything fun with the truck going on. It's just been kind of a chill weekend. Got a couple things I've been running and doing a lot of errands. I went and picked up some wheels for the quad so I can run my paddles because on Easter weekend we're going out to the dunes. We're gonna go have some fun. I'll do some recording there, and that'll be pretty fun video. I'll try to do a better job of recording what I'm doing because last time it was kind of boring. It was just me riding around, but there'll be a lot more fun stuff, jumps, wheelies, all that kind of stuff. So let me give you guys a quick sneak peek of what's coming up in the future. So this isn't a waste of your time. This is just a glimpse into what's going to be happening with the truck. Hopefully within the next month or so is what I'm really, really hoping for. And it's something I'm going to be doing. All right, so what sits in front of me in my truck seat right now is the color, the wrap color for the truck. I've fully decided I'm going to wrap the truck. I want it to be set apart from everything else on the road. There's red F350s and F250s, yellow, silver, blue. I mean, there's pretty much every color you can think of. I think there's even a color like this, but it's a little bit darker. So I really wanted to do something that would set my truck apart from the rest. And I think this is going to do a pretty good job of it. It's a little wrinkled right now because I pulled it off and set it on the truck. I'll post that picture on the video so you guys can see what it looks like on there. But right here, this is the wrap color for the truck. This is a satin purple metallic from Avery. I like how their wrap works. I like how it's very easy to put on the truck. So I've fully decided the brand and the color. That is the truck color. But I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of that because you honestly deserve it. After everything you guys have done for me, it's the least I can do. So that'll be happening hopefully within the next month, and I'm going to be tackling that project by myself. You guys saw how terribly my last wrapping project went. It wasn't even like a wrap job. It was just doing a little fun project to see something. This is going to be totally different because I feel like I'm way more prepared and I have a little bit more knowledge on what to do because I've been talking with people, watching videos, and really educating myself on how to wrap a vehicle. So that'll be a fun one to do because I can give you guys some pointers. And doing it firsthand, I can give you guys some tips and tell you guys what I have learned and what makes it easier for me. So to every single one of you out there, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for the constant support, comments. I mean, comments I love. I love being able to hear what you guys say, know what you drive, and just kind of get a piece of who you are and be able to talk with you guys. That's something very important to me. So thank you all so much. Oh. Being genuine in the Ford kicks my butt. I mean, that's normal. So now that that's been interrupted, thank you all so much for watching. I really, really appreciate everything you guys have done for me and how far this channel has come. So grab some merch. I'm not wearing it. I'm wearing a Power Hungry shirt or hoodie, I guess. But go grab some merch. I'll link it down below. And I will see you guys next week with an awesome Dunes video. I hope you guys have an amazing Easter. Enjoy it. And I'll talk to you guys soon.